How to get venture capital funding. Understanding how to get venture capital funding for your startup is crucial if you want rapid growth. This guide will walk you through the key steps to secure the investment you need. Step 1. Prepare your startup. Begin by crafting a robust business plan, detailed financial projections, and assembling a strong management team. These elements are vital to convince investors of your startup's potential. Step 2. Identify the right VC firms. Research and target venture capital firms that align with your industry and growth stage. Use resources like CB Insights and Crunchbase to find suitable investors. Step 3. Network effectively. Leverage your network for warm introductions and utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with VCs. Attend industry events and be proactive in building relationships. Step 4. Craft your pitch. Design a compelling pitch deck that clearly outlines your business, market opportunity, and financial projections. Practice your pitch to deliver it confidently and convincingly. Step 5. Navigate the funding process. Be prepared for thorough due diligence. Understand and negotiate the terms of the investment to ensure they align with your startup's goals. Securing venture capital is a challenging yet rewarding journey. Follow these steps on how to get venture capital funding for your startup and propel it towards success. Subscribe for more insights. Contact Kumbia for your development needs.